Ever felt like your belly fat is hiding a six-pack you never got to use? Like, you eat clean, train hard, but that muffin top just won't budge. Join the club. Millions struggle with stubborn belly fat, even when they're doing everything right. But guess what? There's a reason for that, and we'll show you in this video. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for resources that will take your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! The truth is, spot reduction, burning fat in just one area, is a stubborn myth. A 2017 study in the journal Nutrients debunked this, showing that overall calorie deficit and body composition changes, not targeted exercises, determine where fat loss happens. So, the key is to unlock your body's fat-burning furnace, and here's where the real insider knowledge comes in. Step 1. Master your macros. Ditch the restrictive calorie counting and embrace macronutrient balance. Think of protein, carbs, and healthy fats as your team, each playing a crucial role. Protein. Your muscle-building BFF. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight to boost metabolism and keep you feeling satisfied. Carbs. Not the enemy. Choose complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and veggies for sustained energy and fiber that keeps you feeling full. Healthy fats. Don't fear fat. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide essential nutrients and help regulate hormones that influence fat storage. Step 2. Move it like you mean it. Exercise is crucial, but not just any kind. Forget endless cardio marathons. Instead, focus on high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods torch calories and blast belly fat. Try sprints, burpees, or jump rope intervals. Strength training. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Hit those weights 2 to 3 times a week, focusing on compound exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups. NEAT. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Take the stairs, fidget, park further away. These little movements add up. Step 3. Sleep your way to slim. Turns out, sleep deprivation is a belly fat magnet. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A 2019 study in the journal Obesity found that short sleep disrupts hormones, leading to increased appetite and fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Step 4. Stress less, flatten more. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that promotes belly fat storage. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or deep breathing to keep cortisol in check. Bonus tip. Listen to your body. Don't ignore hunger cues, but don't give in to cravings either. Mindful eating and intuitive food choices are key to long-term success. Remember, there's no magic bullet, but by implementing these simple steps and staying consistent, you can kiss that stubborn tummy fat goodbye and reveal the toned physique you deserve. Now smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't be shy to comment below. Share your struggles, your successes, and let's support each other on this journey. And don't forget to check out the treasure trove of resources in the description and pinned comment below. These resources will take your weight loss mission to the next level.